Hello everyone, my name is Kruti Gupta and I'm second year PhD candidate at Anglia Ruskin University. My topic of research is investigation into prevalence of multi-drug resistant zoonotic pathogens from wild bird feces collected from the sites in East Anglia. We are reaching post-antibiotic era when we will be unable to use antibiotics to treat minor injuries or infections. This will lead to an increase in mortality rate if immediate action is not taken. For this, we need reliable data collected through conducting local surveillance studies in smaller regions. So I'm carrying out surveillance in this area to provide information about this region and contribute to the overall global surveillance of AMR genes. So after deciding the locations, samples were collected using AMy's transport media. These samples were transported to the lab as soon as possible and they were processed within the next 24 hours. Few plates were streaked directly from the swabs and few plates were streaked using the broth that was inoculated using the same swabs. Now they were incubated for around 24 hours and the colony showing the morphology similar to the bacteria we intend to isolate was selected and subsequently streaked a number of times until pure culture was obtained throughout the plate. Pure colonies of the isolate was further used to conduct biochemical analysis to identify bacteria. After getting the result, the antibiogram of the selected isolates was done using specific antibiotics disc according to the UCAST guidelines. All the isolates that showed high level of resistant or multi-drug resistance were selected for further analysis. DNA was isolated using heat treatment method. And 16S sequencing was done to confirm the bacterial species. Whole genome sequencing will be done in the third year for selected isolates. We haven't done any metagenomic analysis yet, but it will be done if needed. By doing this project, we are collecting a reliable database of the AMR genes prevalent in the environment. Collecting data by conducting longitudinal study will help us in concisely understanding and forecasting spread of drug resistance, mechanism of resistance, location of the resistance genes in the genome, and horizontal gene transfer mechanism involved. And prediction of the pattern in opportunistic pathogens to help to implement prevention strategies. For example, education on the requirement for good hygiene in area. The database will also help us in identifying new effective therapeutic agents and for diagnosis. AMR surveillance is more important and crucial than ever before due to the way humans coexist in complex symbiosis with companion, domesticated, and wild animals. Thank you everyone for listening and giving me your time. If you want to discuss anything further, here are my contact details. Thank you. Thank you so much.